Here on the Wix editor, you want to go to your left side of your screen and then click right here on the site design. After that, you want to go to page background, just click on it. And then here, you want to click on the video. You can upload your own video by clicking on upload media and then upload from your computer. Or you can also upload it from Wix, like here on the Explore. And then just click on any video. For example, I want to make on this one, on this desert sunrise drive. Just click on the video and then click on change background. And as you can see, right now the background is the video. And then if I click on preview right here, so you can see it better, there you go. The video is in the page background. And you can also apply it to any other pages. Just click on it on the page background here. And then here on the video, click on apply to other pages. And then choose any page that you want, or just click on all pages. And then if you want to remove the video, just click on the color right here and then choose the white one. So the video was gone. Just click on the white one and there you go. And then the second way to add the video to your pages is if you want to add the video only on the specific place of the page. So just click here on add section to add the video and then click on the section on the specific one that you want to be the video. And then click on change background and then here click on video and then you can choose your video right here by clicking on the site files or upload it through the media of your computer. But here I want to make it from Explore on media from Wix and then just click on the video and then click on change background. There you go. If I click on preview, as you can see, that specific page is the video right now. And to remove it, you can just remove the specific section. And that's how to add or remove a video background to your Wix site. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.